What's the meaning of animatronic? Animatronic. 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 Animatronic.
Animatronic refers to a type of robot that is designed to look and move like a living creature, typically an animal or humanoid figure. These robots are often used in entertainment settings such as theme parks or movies, where they can perform actions and interact with people in a realistic way. Animatronics use a variety of technologies including motors, sensors, and computer programming to create lifelike movements and behaviors. Overall, animatronics aim to provide a convincing illusion of life.